We know that we could graph the equation like before. Here's the graph, and we can see that the y-intercept, 200, is right here. Our slope is 100 because you save $100 for every month that goes by. Another way of saying that is our y value increases by 100 for every month that passes. But this equation tells a very narrow story. It assumes that you save exactly $100 each month. But what if you save more than that? Is there a way to represent this amount on a graph? Let's try and figure that out together. First, let's consider a few points. Which of these points would represent a time when we saved more than $100 in a month? Check all the boxes that apply.